Hello everyone. SMP Model High School welcomes you all. We hope everything is going good with you. As we all are aware that the school is reopening in the current situation, it becomes everyone's prime responsibility to be a part of safe and healthy environment. SMP Model High School is committed in observing and implementing the Indian government COVID-19 decree on schools reopening safely in the COVID-19 environment. The school's primary objective is to deliver the well-being of the students and staff at all times. The ultimate purpose of the student is to be aware of the safety of oneself and, of course, of the people around us within the school premises. Students must take proactive measures to preserve the individual and class group safety. Things to carry while coming to the school. Get one pair of mask and face shield with you daily. Get 60 percentage of alcohol based sanitizer and hand wash. Get your own hand gloves. Carry all your necessary learning materials. Be aware to get all your personal belongings or articles you need in the classroom, as you should not exchange anything with your friends in the class. Carry your own tissues or handkerchief. Golden rules to be followed for staying safe. Follow the social and physical distancing as guided within the school premises at all times during the school hours. Always follow your teacher's guidelines. Always wear a mask and avoid touching nose and ears often and sanitize your hands frequently. Wear disposable gloves. Never share any learning materials or food with your friends in the classroom. Always cover your mouth with your elbow or tissues while sneezing or coughing. In case if you are feeling ill, immediately bring it to your teacher's notice. Avoid forming groups during classroom procedures, that is, while you walk, talk, book submission, or correction with your class teacher. It is highly recommended that you use your restroom facility in a proper manner. Develop and maintain immunity developing food habits. Ensure that the waste is safely disposed of. Avoid gathering with your friends before and even after the school hours. Try to contact individually. Follow all the COVID measure while traveling to the school and to your home. Things may never get back to normal. You need to create a new normal. So, let's stand together, learn together to make the learning successful. Thank you and have a great day.